In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and send DocuSign templates. This process is essential for those who frequently send documents for electronic signatures and want an efficient way to manage this. Let's walk through each step to ensure you're comfortable with setting up and sending your very own template. First, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. This, of course, is the starting point where you'll have access to all the necessary tools and features for creating templates. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Templates tab. It's prominently displayed for quick access and is your gateway to managing all template-related tasks. With the Templates tab open, you'll see an option to create a new template. Go ahead and click on Create a Template. You'll then be prompted to add a name for your template. Be sure to choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the template, so it's easily recognizable in the future. In addition to the name, you'll want to add a template description, which provides more context and detail about its intended use. Next, you'll need to upload the documents that are part of this template. This is a crucial step because the documents are essentially the framework of your template. Along with uploading, you will also designate the recipients involved in the document signing. Be sure to assign their roles, names, and emails. If you're in a hurry or unsure about the recipients, it's perfectly fine to leave the name or email fields blank for later use. After setting your documents and recipients, it's time to add an email subject and message that will accompany your document when you send it out. Think of this as your chance to precisely explain what the document is about and any special instructions for the recipients. Once this is done, click on Next to move forward. You'll now enter the DocuSign field editor, where you can fine-tune the contents of your document. Here, you're able to add, move, or delete input fields on your document. Ensure that you carefully consider the required and correct field types to add, such as text, date, or checkbox fields. It's especially important to include the signature field if it wasn't automatically added by DocuSign, so your document is ready for signing. Once you're satisfied with the document setup, click on Save and Close. Your new template is now finalized and available for use. To send a document using your template, head back to the Templates tab. There you'll find the template you just created. Click on the Use button for that template, select your recipient, and hit Send. And there you have it. Your document is on its way for electronic signatures. This straightforward method not only keeps your documents organized, but also streamlines the entire signing process, saving you time and effort.